Hello there, folks. Good morning out in YouTube land. So we are back again for yet another video. This is the BMW 1250R, and this is a 23 model. This is my own personal bike. And just recently, I decided to stop using my phone for GPS and for music and whatnot, and started looking into adding an additional screen. And so I looked at a couple of different brands. I settled upon one brand. And what I recently did, I had a video where I previously spoke about adding the BMW GPS preparation kit, which is this item right here, to my BMW. My bike didn't have it factory, so I just had this added on, or actually I added it on. I ordered the parts and then I added it on. And so what we're going to do is we're going to walk through today the unboxing product review of the Carpuride 7-inch 702WBS, which is made for this BMW. And the reason why I went with that is because it's a screen that not only fits in the stock navigation point, which keeps everything clean and nice, but the beauty of it is the 702BS actually works with the BMW Wonder Wheel for like right, left, toggle, whatever. So let's get started. So here's how the packaging comes, and here is the unit. So we'll go ahead and get this thing pulled out of the box. As previously mentioned, this is made by a company called Carpuride. It is the 702BS. It's a HD 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice control. I mean, it's basically like the screen in your car. And the beauty of it is it works with the Wonder Wheel. So let me go ahead and unbox this thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and start taking this box apart here and see what we have. Okay, beautifully packed, very nice screen. It actually has a visor right here for glare, so in the sun. Pretty good design. It's got all your connections right there. And this is the part that fits onto the BMW GPS navigation. Comes with the owner's manual. Comes with the instruction book. So let's go ahead and get this thing plugged in and see how it works, how it looks. Okay, so in order to get this thing plugged in, as you can see, my kit is brand new and it has the cover on it. So you have to slide out. There's a little pin on this side. You slide that out. That is more like an unlock. And then you push the button right here, and that basically forces it to come off. There you go. Now you're exposed, and you can plug the Carpuride straight in. Okay, so this is exactly how it looks when that cover comes off. And this is how the back of the Carpuride device looks. So all you do is you match where these gold contacts are with this gold contact. So you put the bottom in first and then slide it up and lock it into place. So I'm going to do that. Okay, folks, so here we are. As you can see, this thing is all installed now. And I did figure out that it has two screws here on the BMW plate, one on each side, that you can loosen up, and you can actually adjust this thing, and you can tilt it. I've got it a little loose. You can tilt it back down. So basically, based on where you sit, you can have it in a good position, which is a refreshing find because I thought it was going to be pointed just straight up. So I'm kind of happy that the adjustment is there. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on, and I'm going to give you a complete rundown of what this thing is. So let's go ahead and start it up. And let me take this thing out of gear. So this is basically how it comes up. This has a lot of functionality. So let me go over a few details here. So as you can see, you've got your RPM right here. You've got all your warning indicators. You've got your temperature gauge right here, which actually the BMW TFT doesn't even have. So this is actually really nice. It's collecting this data directly from the computer, and it's actually got a temperature gauge. You've got Bluetooth pairing, obviously, which I haven't done yet. You can adjust all your brightness and everything. It's got an automatic, so I've got mine set to automatic, and we're sitting out here in the light, so it's bright. One thing that I like is it actually, once you start riding, it will actually pick up your tire pressures. It'll tell you your gear, of course, your miles per hour, how many miles you've been. And then if we go and click here and we do this, this takes us to the main screen. And because I don't have my phone paired to it yet, it's gonna have your wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got certain audio options. You can even plug in an SD card. If your SD card has music on it, you can play it directly from there. And you can actually use Carpuride's own screen to make phone calls as long as your phone is paired. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is now paired to my phone. This is my Android Auto. It's touch screen. I can basically come over here. It's very sensitive, very nice. If I come over here and I go to iHeartRadio, for example, it pulls it right up. This is all wireless. There's no wires connected to it. And I can actually even use the BMW scroll wheel and move around with whatever I need to. So this is actually really sweet. If I come back over here, it's basically exactly the same what you'd find in Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And positioning is really nice on it, so I think this is a win. Yeah, I mean, it's beautiful. The screen is absolutely gorgeous, and you know, it's for what it does, this thing is totally impressive. I'm trying to, so there's this section here that I like. So with the music, you've literally got an equalizer where you can adjust things. You hit the home button again, and you're back out to the main screen. I mean, this thing is fabulous. You can change some of these settings here. For example, if I go here, I can do KPA, so basically like a metric of what the air pressure is. And then I can come back here to PSI. And so, yeah, you can see, if you look at my RPM gauge, you'll see it. I mean, it's pretty sweet. I like it. I'm not complaining at all. This thing looks good. It looks sharp, and yeah, we'll see how it goes as I use it once I get to riding. I hope you guys appreciate the video. I hope this was informative, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much. Once again, this is the Carpuride 702BS. It's made for the BMW kit. It basically attaches directly onto the BMW factory navigation holder. And so, yeah, so you don't have to worry about turning it on or off or anything. And one feature that I do like is once you do turn it off, if you do that and you turn it off, it takes it a few seconds and it'll actually stay on so that you can read your mileage and whatnot, and then it shuts off. And it's actually pretty nice when it does that. So as you can see, it's about to turn off now, and it's counting down, and there it goes. So beautiful setup. I love this thing. I'm going to be trying this out on my next ride, so I appreciate it. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.